To change a YouTube thumbnail on your phone, first download the YouTube Studio app and log into your account. Also make sure your new thumbnail is already saved in your Photos app on iPhone or your gallery on Android. Let me show you. Here is the new thumbnail in my photos. Now open your YouTube Studio app and log in. I will change the thumbnail for this recent video I uploaded. Tap on the pencil icon in the top right hand corner. If you tap directly on the current thumbnail, YouTube will only show you frames from your video that you can use as thumbnail. As you can see, my newly designed thumbnail does not appear here. To use my own thumbnail, I will tap Change. This takes me to the photos. I will select the new thumbnail, tap on Select, and then tap Save. Now wait for a few moments for the changes to be applied. There you have it. Let's go back to the video. And as you can see, the thumbnail has been changed successfully. Let me know in the comments if you find this helpful.